Get ready to experience a new era in home security. Introducing the all-new Native Lock Pro by Urban Company, the world's first intelligent lock, where cutting-edge technology meets exceptional design. First time ever, experience true remote unlock with Doorbell Connect technology. When someone rings your doorbell, the lock captures visitor's picture and sends it instantly to your phone. Grant access with just a tap from anywhere in the world, whether you're at home
Unlocked.
or miles away. Control is always in your hands. Our intelligent touch key fingerprint technology is fast and secure. It learns and becomes faster with every use. Forget the hassle of carrying keys. Enjoy a hassle-free experience with Lock Pro. It has unlock mode for everyone. Doorbell Connect, Urban Company app, passcode, RFID card, visitor code, fingerprint, and physical keys. Lock Pro enhances the look of any door, elevating your home's style. That's not all. It's a completely connected lock. Monitor everything through the app. With unlock history, stay informed about who enters your home and when. Never worry about security. With Lock Pro's Theft Alert, get instant notifications the moment someone tampers with your lock. Also, manage multiple members, get low battery alerts, and more. All from the Urban Company app. You're always covered with a 3-year unconditional warranty and 24/7 UC support. Choose from 2 stunning colors. Stay secure, stay connected, stay in control. This is Lock Pro by Native.